पढ़ाई करो, करो तैयारी जीत की. Welcome to our current affairs channel. Today's topic is how are MPs' questions allowed or disallowed? Over the last few sessions, MPs mainly from the opposition have often alleged their questions have been disallowed in the parliament. Some of the questions that were disallowed include whether NRIs were harassed at airports and sent back, and whether the Chinese have crossed the LAC in Ladakh. Reasons cited by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha secretariats for disallowing include lack of time and national security. MPs' right to question. In both houses, elected members enjoy the right to seek information from various ministries and departments in the form of starred questions, unstarred questions, short notice questions, and questions to private members. How are questions admitted? Usually, MPs' questions form a long list, which then go through a rigorous process of clearance. The admissibility of questions in Rajya Sabha is governed by Rules 47 to 50 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States. Once a question that fulfills the conditions of admissibility is received, the Secretariat sends it to the ministry concerned. Once the facts are received from the ministry, the question is further examined for admissibility. A final list of questions is circulated to ministers on the basis of which they frame their answers. Now, what are starred, unstarred, and other categories of questions? Starred question. The member desires an oral answer from the minister. Such a question is distinguished by the MP with an asterisk. The answer can also be followed by supplementary questions from members. Unstarred question. The MP seeks a written answer, which is deemed to be laid on the table of the House by the concerned minister. Short notice question. These are on a non-urgent short notice question. These are on an urgent matter of public importance, and an oral answer is sought. A notice of less than 10 days is prescribed as the minimum period for asking such a question. And question to private member. A question can be addressed to a private member under Rule 40 of Lok Sabha's Rule of Procedures or under Rule 48 of Rajya Sabha's rules, provided that the question deals with a subject relating to some bill, resolution, or other matter for which that member is responsible. What kind of questions can be asked? In Rajya Sabha, among various norms, the question shall be pointed, specific, and confined to one issue only. It shall not bring in any name or statement, not strictly necessary to make the question intelligible. If it contains a statement, the member shall make himself responsible for the accuracy of the statement. It shall not contain arguments, inferences, ironical expressions, imputations, epithets, or defamatory statements. In Lok Sabha, questions that are not admitted include those that are repetitive or have been answered previously, and matters that are pending for judgment before any court of law or under consideration before a parliamentary committee. That's it today for MP's questions. Stay tuned for more regular updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Have a good day.